Hey, how's it going? It's Rory. Been a while since I had a video. Got this 71 Challenger here in the shop. Convertible, obviously. Originally a 318, 3-speed car, manual. Now it's got a stroked out Hemi in it, 4 1/4 stroke, 60 over. It's like 510 cubic inches or so. With a 4-speed manual, Dana 60 rear. Here for a bunch of corrections. Been multiple shops. Over 2 years, stuff was above people's heads. They couldn't get it done, whatever. So I came here for corrections. Dropped the K-frame out of it. Replaced the oil pan on it. It had a big Milledon pan on it. Hung down like that far below the K-frame. Terrible. Put a stock 6-quart Hemi pan on it, pickup. Change of pulley assemblies. It had underdriven pulleys in it for the water pump and the crank and all that. I put standard BRB pulleys on it. Hemi's used a different crank pulley setup because they used a very wide balancer. So they used a short, lower pulley. Getting Hemi pulleys isn't that easy anymore, so it was easier just to change it to the RBB standard style pulleys. And this had a narrow balancer on it with the stroker kit. So basically I had to machine the snout of the balancer in, so machined it so it actually had the correct spacing to run all the stock pulleys for a BRB. So now it's not underdriven, it's the correct ratio and everything, because this car came in here with some overheating issues. But you know, it has an electric fan in it. Telling the customer to get rid of the electric fan because they're terrible. It's got 2 11-inch electric fans. I prefer a shroud and a big fan clutch fan on there. So that's probably going to happen down the road. But the biggest reason why it runs warm on the freeway is it's got 411 gears in it. 26-inch stock style radiator. Is a 3-quart brass one, really nice one from US Radiator. I opened the radiator opening too. It had a 22-inch radiator opening, so I opened the radiator opening for the 26-inch radiator and positioned the 26 radiator where it should be, because the left side bolts where 22 bolts is in a different place also. So took care of that. Resealed the transmission on it, replaced all the freeze plugs on it, had to do some suspension work, had the wrong idler arm on it, was pitching the center link way up. Ended up, like I said, getting the transmission all resealed and all that. Now, the next thing is change out the gears. It has those 410s in it and a Dana 60, like I said, but it also has a Detroit locker in it. Unbelievably aggressive. Wrong stuff. This guy wants to daily drive this car to car shows, and that's it. He's not into racing it or anything. Not streetable. I mean, that way that thing locks, it's so aggressive. The whole car just moves, and it's convertible to begin with. So that's going to get a Detroit True Track in it, which is a lot smoother, and it's going to get a set of 331 gears. And those 331 gears are what they used in Ford trucks, 1979 to like 81. They're very rare Dana 62. So that's what we're going to be getting. So just want to run it through you and show you the car and get into work. And there you have it. That's the video of me dropping the K-frame and doing all this correction stuff. Most people have never seen the process of dropping the car back on the K-frame, which is the easiest way to do it, no matter what anybody tells you. Screw pulling it through the top of the car. It's always better and safer to pull it through the bottom. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and hope to make some more. Get some time to do that. So hope you enjoy the video.